Do you want to get a Halloween effect on Instagram message? You can add the Halloween effect on Instagram with just a few simple steps. In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to get Halloween effect on Instagram message. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips videos. I've also added some helpful tools and apps in the description. Check them out after watching this video. To get the Halloween effect on Instagram messages, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure that you have installed the latest version of the Instagram app. If not, update it from the App Store or Google Play Store to ensure you have the latest features. Now, tap on the message icon at the top right of the screen to go to the Instagram Direct Messages section. Here, you will see all the chats you have messaged with. From the chat list, open the one in which you want to add the Halloween effect on direct messages. To get the Halloween effect on Instagram messages, you need to include some specific words in the message before sending it. First word, Halloween. Second word, pumpkin. Another word, witch. Next one, horror movies. Next word, costume. Another one, ghost. Next one, skeleton. Once you type and send one of these words along with your message on Instagram, you and your friends will see the Halloween effect in the chat conversation.